When you think about impact drivers, what company comes to your mind first? Let me know in the comments.
Milwaukee, DeWalt, Rigid, Orange Crush Mafia for life. Get your merch in the merch store. Link is in the bio. So good. So underrated. Flex. So powerful. What about the pond scum of the tool world? Hercules over at Harbor Freight. Not a bad tool. Metabo HPT, arguably one of the smoothest, most comfortable impact drivers ever existed. Probably the best tool brand that nobody ever talks about, Bosch. What about the little engine that could? The Milwaukee Fuel M12 12-volt line. So good. How about one of the most iconic United States brands to ever exist, Craftsman? What about Skill? One of the bigger DIY brands on the market today.
So which one are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.